Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You're starting with the essentials. Unlock the iPhone and go to Settings, then Face ID and Passcode. Enter your passcode when prompted so you can access biometric controls. This protects your device. Once in, tap Reset Face ID to wipe the existing face data. This is faster and safer than trying to edit partial scans. Make sure your face is unobstructed and the environment has even lighting. Good lighting helps the sensor capture accurate depth and texture information. Now you'll create the new Face ID profile. Tap Set Up Face ID and hold the iPhone 13 mini in portrait orientation about 10-20 inches from your face. Center your face in the frame and move your head slowly in a circle to complete the first scan, then repeat for the second scan. This two-pass capture maps depth and detail so the true depth camera can authenticate reliably. If you wear glasses or a hat routinely, keep them on so the sensor learns your typical appearance. Finish by testing Face ID. Lock the phone and attempt to unlock, then try authenticating in App Store or with Apple Pay to confirm. If it fails, reset Face ID and repeat the setup, making sure you rotate fully during scans. Partial scans cause false negatives. Also inspect the true depth area, clean it gently, and remove any screen protectors that obscure the sensors. If issues persist, restart the iPhone or contact Apple support, because hardware problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.